Right, now with £250, please. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ben from Floors Cleaning. Today we are freshening up a few areas, block paving and Indian sandstone. So yeah, looking forward to that. It's for a sweet old lady, yes, my nan. She's got me around, she wants it all freshened up, so can't say no. But yeah, if you want to join me in the clean, yeah, we'll get cracking. Right, who's ready for today's Grime Line? Oosh, look at that. Well chuffed. Let's ask the boss. Yeah, what do you think of my Grime Line?
Very good.
You heard it from the boss, she's happy. You want to know what these are? These are my little safety specs and they're prescriptions, so I can actually see out of them. Yeah, buzzing with them. So, but yeah, look at that. Well chuffed. My nan's happy, I'm happy. And we've got a Grime Line for you. So yeah, anyway, let's get cracking. So this year I'm taking the Grime Line to new heights. Is that a good shake? Alright, so I applied that on quite generously. We'll go again in a minute. As you can see, in certain places it's just drawing it out. Yeah, just got to give it a brush and then soak 15 minutes. Oh wow. Hello Nanny, what do you reckon? How's that?
It's a professional job, very professional, done by a kind young man.
Nan, don't make me blush. Don't make me blush.
Well, it's true. It's wonderful.
So it's so much brighter out in there, isn't it, for you?
I don't know what else to say. I'm just amazed.
As long as you're happy, that's all that matters.
I keep looking at it. I go over there, then I come back again.
Bless you.
Oh dear.
Yeah, wow. All done now.
Yeah.
So much brighter. It's just drying out.
Satisfaction, Ben.
Yeah, love it, Nan. Love it. Yeah, all good. Thanks for watching the video. If you could like, comment and subscribe, that'd be great. And yeah, enjoy the outro with my family. Cheers. And look at that. So much brighter. It's just still drying out here. I've treated it a few times for the oil, but it's light shadowing, but it is so much better. Hello. What are you doing? You can walk now. You want to show everyone you're walking? Come in. Come to Daddy. Show everyone you're walking. Come here then. Show everyone you're walking. Wow, look at you. Come on in. Wow. Well done. Pardon? Oh. Well, what does that mean? What are you doing, Cheeky Chops?
Is the baby okay?
Oh. Oh. Do you want to get in? You walking? Wow, look at you. Yay, clever boy. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.